Next topic it is major crops. Rice, then we want to study wheat, then millets, in that maize, jowar, like that different things. Then cotton, jute, that is the fiber crops. Then coffee, tea, that is the beverage crops. Then agriculture development. Okay, let us see the major crops. Rice, major food crop of the world, and it is staple diet of the tropical and subtropical region. Rice needs high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. For the growth of the rice, what we need? Very high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. And it grows best in alluvial clayey soil which can retain water. It is growing in clayey soil, and that also should be alluvial. Why it is? Because it can retain water. China leads the production of rice followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. Who is producing first production of rice in first rank? China. Then comes India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. Next one, it is wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during the growing season and the bright sunshine at the end of the harvest. In growing time want to get enough rainfall, but at the end want to get a bright sun. And it thrives best in well drained loamy soil. Wheat is grown extensively in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. Now we also started after Green Revolution. And in India it is grown in the winter season. Only in winter season we are having crop of wheat. Next one, it is millets. They are also known as the coarse grain and can grow on less fertile and sandy soil. And it is hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. Jowar, bajra, ragi are grown in India. So millets want what type of climate? Very low rainfall, it's okay, but moderate to moderate temperature it needed, but with adequate rainfall. Then what are the millets we are having here in India? Jowar, bajra and ragi. And other countries of Nigeria, China and Niger, they are also growing millets. Then maize. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine. Temperature and rainfall moderate and sunshine much needed. And it needs well drained fertile soil. Maize is grown in North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. Then next one, the fiber crops. Cotton. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost free days. Without winter season want to get how many days? 210 days. According to CBSE, how many days we want to attend school? 210 days. Here for cotton also we want 210 days. And it grows best on black and alluvial soil. China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil, Egypt are the main producers. Okay, here one spelling mistake. Okay, which countries? China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil and Egypt. So it is difficult to remember all these things. So what you can make? You can make some boxes. First one, name of the crop, then in which countries it is growing. Then next one, climate and soil, like that you can make the some columns. Then if you are writing like one by one, very easily you can remember. And this same chapter we are going to study in 10th standard also, but much more details. Then next one, jute, also known as the golden fiber. It grows well on alluvial soil and requires high temperature and heavy rainfall and humid climate. Once again, what it needed? It needed alluvial soil and very high temperature, heavy rainfall as well as humid climate. For what? Jute. And where it is growing? That is in India, West Bengal area, we are having jute production. This crop is also the tropical areas. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers in the world. The next one, coffee. Coffee requires warm and wet climate and well-drained loamy soil. It should be enough warm as well as wet. You want to get rainfall in between and well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are more suitable for growth of this crop. Which crop? Coffee. Brazil is the leading producer, followed by Colombia and India. Next one, tea. Tea is a beverage crop grown on plantation. It needs well-drained loamy soil and gentle slopes. Requires cool climate and well distributed high rainfall throughout the year for the growth of its tender leaves. Labor is in large number is required to pick up the leaves. Then Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka, etc. are they are producing the best quality tea in the world. Which countries? Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka. Well, not in the number one in the sense amount, but in the quality. These 4 countries are the leading countries in the world. The next topic it is agricultural development. It refers to effort made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. Why we need? Because the population rate it is growing day by day, so we want to improve our agriculture also. How to achieve agriculture development? Increasing the crop area, increase the number of crops grown, improve the irrigation facilities, use of fertilizers and high yield variety of seeds. Like that 4 methods we are having to improve our agriculture. Once again, what are they? It may ask us a 5 mark question or 3 mark question. Once again, increase the cropped area, increase the number of crops grown, improving the irrigation facility, use of fertilizers and high yield variety of seeds. Then ultimate aim of the agriculture development is to increase food security. Why we need? What is the aim of this one? To increase the food security of the people. The next one, farm in India. We will discuss very less only. We want to move to next chapter. Small size farmland, but in America we are having large size. The next one, use HYV seeds purchased from market. And here in America, farmers generally reside in the farm and they are making their own seeds in their land itself. Then take advice from friends, elders and government and advocate. They are getting the farmers, they are having the computer and with the help of that one getting the information. Then next one, use tractors, bullock carts for ploughing of the field. Here fully mechanized and they are having the fully automatic machines and all to make the food product. Then use tube wells for irrigational activities, and in America they are having other different things. They are also having the borewell as well as river water they are using for irrigation purpose. Next one, also rear livestock to earn more income. They are having the different department or different peoples, they are doing different things. Cattle rearing one group, agriculture another group, like that they are doing. The next one, all the members of the family help him in the various farm activities. In America not like that, the professionals they are doing the work even in the farming area. The farmers take credit from a bank or an agricultural cooperative society to buy HYV seeds and implement that one. And America they are having some of the government policies to get it, and they are having laboratory checkup and all about soil irrigation all for that purpose. Then lack storage facility, so they are forced to sell the produce even the market is not favorable to the agriculture farmers. They want to sell their product when they are cultivating, that time itself because the storage facility still it is not available. In America, everyone having their own storage facility. Then, recent years, the government has taken some steps to develop storage facility. Some steps they are taken. These are the some of the points related to our lesson. Okay, we will meet in Google class. Thank you. Have a nice day.